What's up guys, Colby's Tech Reviews here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new Apple Pencil 2, as well as the new iPad Pro. I'm going to start with the pencil here. This might be a little difficult with one hand. Alright, so I got that open. We can see designed by Apple in California. Pour out the contents, and we have some general paperwork about how it magnetically connects, the tip, how to replace the tip, for that, and then safety, handling, Apple warranty, and that's it. And then next we have the pencil itself. It is flat on the one edge so that it magnetically connects and charges to the iPad. We also see that it has a little bit new branding here on the side, Apple Pencil. And also you can double tap on the tip whenever it's connected, and you'll actually get to switch. So say you're actually drawing whatever, you'll get to switch from the pen or the brush to eraser. And you can actually set it up for a bunch of different things. I'd have to look more into that on how to set those things up and what it can do. But the new pencil, it looks great. It is starting at $129, or it is $129. There's only one option. But yeah, I like it a ton better than the old one, and I do have the old one. I don't have it handy. But yeah, it looks a lot nicer. Feels a lot better in the hand too. So there's that. And now the main event, the iPad Pro. I did go ahead and take the plastic off, but as you can see, the picture on the front, very similar to the iPhone XS and XS Max. iPad Pro branding and Apple branding on the sides. And then I'll show you the top of this here. So I did only get the 11-inch Wi-Fi model only in 64 gigs. So the reason for that was because A, I felt like the 11-inch was the better size. B, I thought that I don't really use it out in the wild, you could say, without having Wi-Fi somewhere. And if I do need Wi-Fi, I have unlimited data on my phone. I can just turn the personal hotspot on there, and everything will be all set to go on that front. And 64 gigs only because I only use things in the cloud. So any important files, it's either Google Drive or iCloud. And I use iCloud files to get things from my desktop on my MacBook to this as well. So without me rambling too long, open the box here. There's so many boxes on my bed right now. So right here we actually have the iPad. I did get this space gray version because I thought it looked better. So we'll have that in the nice wrapping there. We'll set that aside. We have designed by Apple in California again. Shocker. Go ahead and get the papers out. So we have, I think I got everything out. Yep. iPad Pro. Very, very similar to the Apple Pencil. This is kind of, so this does have Face ID now. I'll probably be doing a review, better video quality. But for right now, it does have Face ID, and you can use it both facing this way in portrait mode, or I shouldn't say portrait mode because that's a different thing, or in landscape mode as well. This just kind of shows you, I have the iPhone XS Max, so I'm very familiar with the multitasking. I also have iOS 12 on my other iPad, so I'll be able to be very familiar with how this works. Power off, power on, and that's that pamphlet. Then again, the warning, no Apple stickers in here. Am I wrong? I better be wrong. So guys, I was wrong. I was able to get them out. Sorry for the little jump there. I had to use two hands. They were like stuck to the back of the packaging. They are much bigger this time. I believe it was Jonathan Morrison that actually made a point to show that they were bigger. I don't have anything to compare it to, but I guess bigger iPads, bigger stickers, which is kind of exciting, but that's not the most exciting part. Obviously we have the iPad there. So this now is USB-C, charges via USB-C rather than Lightning. I'm obviously a huge fan of this. This is something that I'm really hoping that the new iPhones the next iPhones will adopt, just because it'll make life so much easier for pretty much everybody. And then the USB-C port there. Unfortunately, I also don't have the newest version of MacBook Pro, so I still have the regular USB 2.0 ports or 3.0 ports with the SD card and the headphone jack and everything like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and take the covering off of this bad boy. We'll power it on for the first time. It was not as satisfying as I wanted it to be, that noise there. All right, here we go. Here's the first powering on. There's the Apple logo. Looks amazing, feels amazing in the hand. Like I said, space gray, so that's exciting. The Apple logo here, the very large camera bump, iPad, and then the magnetic dock there. See what it says, Ola. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up. Thanks for watching, and I'll be posting a review probably later this week, if not next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.